This is PG College of Pharmaceutical Science and Research, Nandurbar. We are the student of first year diploma. And today we are going to perform one of the experiment of social pharmacy. Aim to perform and counsel the etiquette which is followed while coughing and sneezing. So let's start the steps as per WHO. You should turn away from other when you sneeze and cough. Cover your nose and mouth with tissue. If you don't have tissue, you should cover it with your elbow.
Sorry, I want repetition.
This video is prepared by our first year